Over the last 25 years, lifestyles have changed. We're all busier than we ever have been before, so spending time with loved ones is at such a premium. So we all need a home with a hub that enables us to do that and maximise that precious time. So imagine entertaining family and friends at this breakfast bar, or sat on these lovely sofas by the wood burner. But we all need that space where we can also retreat when we just need our own bit of private time. This property has got that and even more. The owners of this property have got older children that have flown the nest, so it's given them flexibility to repurpose a number of the bedrooms. We currently have one as a study and also one as a dressing room. This house has got a secret. Up there is a bedroom with an ensuite with its own staircase. Perfect for guests and family, perfect for teenage children, or also just as another great work from home space. Go and have a peek. For me, the three most important things about any garden is it private, is it quiet, and is it super easy to maintain? This garden has got all of that and even more. I really hope you enjoyed that tour of this property in Carlby. For further information or to book a viewing, go to eastaway.co.uk, click on the property details and click on the book now button. Look forward to seeing you on another viewing soon.